Hi there, everyone. I'm News 8 meteorologist Ashley Baylor with a check of your latest forecast. Well, it's definitely going to be one of those days where it's nicer to be on the inside looking out just because it is so cold out there. Many wind chills starting in the double digits below zero this morning. It is going to stay bright through this afternoon, but that wind is not going to help us out. Temperatures will be in the upper teens to low 20s, but wind chills will be stuck in the single digits across most of the state. But you can see even up in the Litchfield Hills here, we may not see those wind chills get above zero. So if you do have to spend time outdoors or you're going skiing or snowboarding, make sure that you really bundle up and have minimal exposed skin. And of course, for the pups, I know they have to go out. Make sure it's very, very brief. Even for those big furry dogs that may normally like the cold and like the snow, this is just not the day for them. So here's our hour-by-hour forecast. High pressure will have control, so that is providing us with lots of sunshine, but again, just not warming us up very much. Now, overnight, we will see the winds back off. We'll be under mainly clear skies, so temperatures will drop into the single digits by Sunday morning, but hopefully I won't have to resurrect the wind chill map. Now, we'll enjoy sunshine for the first half of your Sunday, but going into the afternoon, notice the clouds are going to fill in, but most of the day is going to be dry. We actually won't see the leading edge of the snow move in until after 9 o'clock in the evening. Here we are at midnight, where by midnight, we're already starting to see that switch from snow over to rain at the shoreline, and that rain line will continue to nudge farther north as we go overnight. So with this latest storm system, the biggest concern is not actually going to be the snow. It's going to be the winds, and it's going to be the potential for moderate coastal flooding. So here's a look at the snow forecast. Again, at the shoreline, minimal snow amounts before it switches over to rain. But for most places, we could see about 1 to 3 inches before that change over to rain. Up in the Litchfield Hills, we could be looking at 3 to 6, maybe even locally higher amounts. So here's the problem here, is that any place that does see accumulating snow, you combine it with the rain, that could in turn make for a slushy Monday morning commute. I want you to be aware the winds are going to ramp up between 3 to 8 o'clock Monday morning. And I'm talking really ramp up here. We could see wind gusts upwards of 45 to 55 miles per hour, especially closer to the shoreline. So that could mean some widely scattered power outages, and then we'll have some issues, especially along the 95 corridor, the Merritt Parkway, Route 1, moderate coastal flooding expected here. Now, as I mentioned, the winds are going to kind of back off closer to 8 o'clock in the morning, which is in turn when the tide is going to start to come up. So at this point, the water levels could be about 2 to 5 feet higher than normal. If we were expecting the strongest winds at the same time as the high tide, well, then we would probably be looking at borderline major coastal flooding, but we'll certainly keep an eye on it. Tonight, mainly clear, not as windy. Temperatures will drop into the single digits, and then tomorrow, morning sunshine giving way to afternoon clouds with snow developing after 9 o'clock in the evening. Now, temperatures are actually going to go up Sunday night into Monday. That's how we're going to see that switch from snow over to rain. At least things are going to quiet down Monday afternoon, looking brighter on Tuesday. It's still going to be a chilly day though. Wednesday, increasing clouds with a chance for some passing snow showers Wednesday night, but very little to no accumulation expected with that one. We'll get through this, folks. We'll get through the cold today, and we will get through this mess Sunday night into Monday.